There are 4 animals that bring wealth, sustenance, and blessings into a home, while one animal is the reason for bringing poverty, difficulty, and hardship into the house. Baba Farid Ganjshakar, Rahmatullahi, will talk about the 4 animals that bring wealth, sustenance, and blessings into the house in today's video. He will also discuss the one animal that, if attached to the house in any way, causes severe poverty and hardship. If you are facing financial difficulties, if money and wealth are not coming to your home, if unemployment has settled in your house, or if business is not going well, or if you are eager to become wealthy quickly, then learning about these 4 animals that bring wealth and sustenance is crucial. Likewise, the one animal that causes hardships and poverty will also be discussed. The first animal, whose presence in the house brings wealth and blessings, is the bird. A bird is a creature that is found in nearly every area of the world, whether in cold or hot regions. However, different species and shapes of birds may vary depending on the area. In Pakistan, India, and other Asian countries, the bird commonly seen is the sparrow, known as the home sparrow. The elders associate sparrows with prosperity and blessings. It is believed that when the population of sparrows increases in a city, prosperity is on its way. Conversely, if the sparrow population begins to decrease, it is a sign that difficulties will arise for the people of that city. If we reflect on the past 15 years, sparrows were commonly seen in our cities, and their chirping would wake us up in the morning. However, as time passed, sparrow numbers drastically decreased, and it has now become rare to see one. With the decline in the number of sparrows, the hardships and difficulties of the people in the city also increased. People were once very content with minimal money, but now, even if millions are earned, it is difficult to meet household expenses. This suggests that our cities have become deprived of blessings. But dear brothers and sisters, if a sparrow somehow becomes connected to your house, prosperity and blessings will surely come, and the deprivation will end, particularly if the sparrow builds a nest in your house. You should not destroy it. Sparrows typically build their nests on trees, but when Allah decides to change the conditions of the people in a house, He commands the bird to build its nest there. When the sparrow builds its nest, lays eggs, and the family does not disturb the nest. And when the baby sparrows grow and fly out of the nest, blessings begin to flow into the house, and most of the household's problems are resolved. Therefore, if a sparrow builds a nest in your home, do not make the mistake of destroying it unless the nest has been abandoned for about 6 months. But never destroy a nest if the sparrow is actively using it, as it can bring great misfortune. Those who want blessings in their home and want to keep hardships away should start placing food or water on their roof for the birds. If you can't afford to feed them, just putting water in a container will help, especially as the summer season has begun. Many birds perish because they can't find water. If you place water on your roof, you will receive great rewards, and sparrows will connect with your home, bringing prosperity and blessings, inshallah. The second animal Baba Farid mentioned that brings wealth and blessings is the pigeon. The pigeon is one of the most devout creatures, and its relationship with Allah is special. Pigeons are associated with purity, and are often seen in places where people worship Allah, like mosques. In Mecca and Medina, pigeons are abundant, and their presence in these sacred places signifies blessings. If a pigeon becomes connected to your home in any way, not only will wealth and sustenance flow into your home, but hardships and misfortune will also leave. However, it is important to care for the pigeons with kindness. Pigeons that are treated well, fed, and cared for bring prosperity. On the other hand, if they are mistreated, they may bring misfortune. Many people who love and care for pigeons experience wealth and blessings, while those who mistreat them often see misfortune. The third animal Baba Farid spoke about is the cat. If a cat becomes connected to your home in any way, wealth and sustenance will begin to flow into your household. You may have heard stories of people who showed kindness to stray cats or fed cats in their neighborhoods. Such people's conditions changed for the better, and they became prosperous, even though they had previously struggled to make ends meet. The Prophet Solomon, علیہ, said that the prayers of a person who stays awake at night in worship are not accepted as quickly as the prayers of a cat. If you show kindness to a cat, feed it, and let it come and go freely in your house, your luck and destiny will change for the better. Therefore, if a cat visits your home, do not drive it away. Provide water and food for it, and you will see how your situation improves, your business thrives, and your troubles disappear. Before talking about the fourth animal, let's first discuss the one animal that, if it becomes connected to your house, will bring misfortune. This animal is the crow. Crows are known for their intelligence, and they can bring hardships when they are associated with a house. Crows are cunning and are known to harm other birds' nests. They also have the ability to see calamities descending from the sky, and they bring these calamities to those they are connected to. Therefore, it is advised that you do not allow crows to become too familiar with your home, as their presence can bring difficulties and misfortune. If a crow or an eagle starts to spend an unusual amount of time near your house, it is a sign that misfortune is approaching. To prevent this, try feeding the crow outside your home so it doesn't bring misfortune inside. This will prevent the crow from staying in your home and allow blessings to remain. The fourth animal Baba Farid mentioned that brings wealth and blessings is the black insect, known as the black bug. These bugs are harmless to humans and don't cause any damage, though they might bite occasionally, but they are not poisonous. If you find these bugs in your house, it is a sign that blessings and sustenance are on the way. However, you should never harm them. If you encounter these bugs, try to remove them gently without causing them harm. These are the four animals that bring wealth and blessings into your house, and the one animal that, if connected to your home, brings misfortune. If you liked the video, please comment MashaAllah and Subhanallah. Like the video, share it widely, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And turn on the notification bell for more videos.